So you might be looking for a way to start building your base here in SurrounDead. Well, this one is quite easy. So what are the basics? Well, first things first, in order for you to start building your base here, you need to gather your materials. Now, the thing with this one is you need to have an axe. Now, you can easily get an axe in certain cities or certain parts here. It's a pretty common loot that you get. But yeah, as long as you start raiding cities or buildings here, especially like police stations, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, once you do have a fire axe or an axe, what you need to do is you want to go and just press and hold on the right button key on your mouse, and you want to go and just press left to basically attack the tree. Now, you want to go and just do this repeatedly until it actually goes down. But once it actually goes down, you should be able to get your wood log or wooden log. Once you do get some wooden logs, you want to go and just basically go to any of the workbenches here. So crafting workbench. You want to craft wooden planks. We want to go and just click on craft as much as you can, and you want to go and just go ahead and go to your construction workbench. Now, by the way, if you don't have a construction workbench yet, you can craft this inside the crafting workbench, which is the first thing that you can craft inside the game. So this crafting workbench here. But yeah, inside the crafting workbench, craft the construction workbench. And in the construction workbench, you have two options for building your base. Now, we have standard and modular. Now, the thing with standard, these are like walls, fences, boxes, storages, anything that you may need, like shelves even, and even like razor wires. Now, if you choose modular here, this is where the walls and foundations are going to be. Now, depending on what you're trying to do here, like for foundations, walls, you may need certain materials. Now, for example, I just want wooden walls. You can go and select that, click on craft selected, or you can go increase as much as you can. But once you do have them, so in my case, I already have some of them. So I have like foundations and even walls. Now, how do you use them? Now, you want to go and just right click on your foundation. Let's go and just click on this one. Let's go and click on place. Now, you want to go and just choose a location that you want to use. Now, you can go and just use the scroll on your mouse to basically orient your foundation. Now, again, you could go and just choose the location itself. Now, by the way, there are other options on basically guiding your build here at the left side. So, like, for example, if you want to snap this to the ground, like press R. If you press R, this will basically snap it to the ground. As you can see, it's going to be this orientation, but let's go and just press R again, and we want it this way. Now, once you've placed your first foundation here, you want to go and just place the other foundation. Now, the thing with this one is typically if you go to the section here at the end, it will automatically snap to your build. But if not, you may want to press Shift R to reset the snap build to ground. So it's kind of tricky at times. So you can go and just Shift F again. So this to enable snapping. As you can see, it's now snapping to the foundation. So yeah, you can go and just build it there. Let's go and build it here. Let's go and build another one in this area here. Now, the trick here is you want to go and just position your cursor at the edge of where you want to add your foundation. But yeah, so once you've added your foundation, so we are going to finish it with these two foundations. But yeah, once you've done that, you want to go just get your walls. Let's go and click place. And again, as long as you have the snapping here, as long as it says the disable snapping, as long as you have snapping enabled, it should automatically snap to the corners here, as you can see here now. And yeah, so there are other options here for doing your build. Sometimes you can make things float with this build, depending on your preference here. Like you can basically Shift F again to disable snapping. You can even like make it half walls, or even like hold and press and hold on Shift and scroll up to determine the height of your wall. As you can see right now, I can make it quite high. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.